Alright, so, well, I did very much enjoy my time with the Prusa Slicer, and I will be using it more frequently in the future. Cura did pretty quickly come up with a hot fix. Now, this is Cura 4.2.1, and as you can see, throw supports on, and we'll go everywhere and hit slice. It does that little thing where it says processing, so I don't have to click a million times, and it starts to slice. So it is slicing. It will give me supports in my structure now. Everything seems to be working properly, and as I said, it does have that Creawesome mod built in already. The setup here is pretty straightforward. What you're going to do is you're going to get rid of your old profile information because you don't need it. I definitely recommend backing it up, saving it to somewhere else. Cura will ask you if you want to delete it. You can go ahead and delete it from the Cura folder, and then what you're going to do is select, for the Ender 3 at least, the Creality 3D, and then the Ender 3 itself. And other than that, I haven't touched any of these settings. I haven't printed any models with support yet, but it did slice. It does look pretty nice. I think this will work. So, yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with that. It's nice to see Cura fixing things quickly. It's disappointing that they put out a version with such a horrible bug in it, but they did take care of it literally the day after they released it. So, they were quick to respond, and everything is back up and working and looking nice. You can see you still have those handy orthographic views. The Creawesome mod is already installed and running when you have your Ender 3 set up here. So, looking pretty nice, and it's a good version of Cura. It's less buggy than 4.1, although it's still only been out for about a week, so there might be more hidden bugs deeper in the settings. But for the most part, it's very usable, very user-friendly, and I do like where they're going with it. I wish that for the Creawesome mod, when you pick the Ender 3, it did put that awesome graphic of the printer around the build space, just because it gives you a little bit more depth and a little bit better idea of scale just by eyeballing it. So, but yeah, another good Cura from Cura. Definitely liking it. I'm going to play around with it some more. I'll let you know if I find any more bugs, but that doesn't mean I'm going to be getting rid of Prusa Slicer either. I really wish that these guys would get I really wish they'd steal some infill from Prusa Slicer, because I really liked the honeycomb, and there were a couple of other infills that were really, really nice in the Prusa Slicer. Now, I've heard that you'd have bridging and support problems in Prusa Slicer. I haven't really had any issues, but I haven't tried to print any difficult bridges with it yet either. So maybe I think we'll do a bridging test on the same model, same layer height, same filament. We'll do Cura slice versus a Prusa Slicer slice and see what's going on. But we'll do that video sometime next week. It's the weekend. I'm just recording this because I do want to give Cura props for updating their problems really quickly and let everybody know that this is a decent version for download. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button down below. Hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell so you can get notifications when we release new videos. We are in the upcoming week, like I said, we're probably going to do that bridging test, and I think we're going to be reviewing the new version of Blender that I've been playing around with a lot, and it is gorgeous. So stay tuned.